네. All right, Mr. Farhan, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. How's everything?
She, you, you is just dropping?
You dropping?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like overall 84 hour.
Wow. We have flash manufacturing PMI. Hmm. I think it's gonna respect the support.
So you created this support on the basis of 4 hour, 1 hour?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If this closes like above or at the
Mm-hmm.
support, most likely gonna go up for retest.
Yeah, let me share my chart and
Oh, you
it
shared it?
is. I'm just. I missed it. Like I was looking for this 15 minute to close below and then take a trade out of the zone, but I couldn't.
Wow.
So, so basically, I created these yellow lines, the resistance and the support on the basis of 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So actually, I was technically waiting as soon it breaks below, which it did. Like I was waiting a 15-minute candle to close below this 1.365 to 9
Hi
to 8.
Mm-hmm.
Morning, guys.
Good morning, Omar.
How are you?
So,
Good, you?
Good. How's your food?
It's good.
on that 15 minute, like I was looking, but it was so fast, like then I couldn't enter.
It was
But
too
now
late. Yeah.
it was too late. So now these blue lines were my target on the basis of the traffic on the left-hand side on the 30 minute. The blue lines here, like these I have drawn as a target, like where this candle can go and pull back.
Hmm. Yeah.
So now what I'm looking for, like I want to see a pullback from this area, make a resistance again, and then drop. Like the candle which so I'm thinking
It's
like
the
there,
4 hour low.
yeah. So I'm thinking like the next candle can be something like this, which I created 30 minutes, like something like this for the next 4 hour. Like it can go to that area again, retest it, and then come down
Yes.
because that is a zone where it can respect.
Yes. Um, I think it would be better if it closes, like you said. Just
Mhm.
either at the support or below the support, and if we get the next 4 hour to come back up here and then drop, that'll be better. Because taking a sell while the 4 hour closing above, it's not. I don't think it's gonna be a good idea. There's not enough range to go down.
Yeah, exactly.
I tapped into the 4 hour support actually.
Yeah,
It did.
that's what I'm saying. So if this closes below, and we get the next one to come up and tap into the support and come down, will be better idea. So
Wait.
now, because New York about to open soon, and this is a major kind of support, what I have seen most times is that like price was just continue to go up. But we'll see. Cause I'm thinking the weekly.
The daily has broken the previous daily.
Yeah. The lower low, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So today we have flash manufacturing PMI. Usually when we do have that flash manufacturing PMI, it goes really far. It goes 50 pips, 60 pips, sometimes
What
100
time is it?
pips at 9:45. So looking here, I don't think there's not enough range probably to go down that much, like 100 pips or something, or 50 pips. No, it's like 25 pips.
I've shared my chart if you wanna look at it.
It's dropped a lot, so I don't know.
Yeah, it dropped in London,
Yeah.
and they also had flash manufacturing PMI. Yes, Mr. Omar.
So yeah, so if you're looking for okay, the overall bias is bearish right now.
Mm-hmm.
So we would want to see the test to be the low to be tested again, right? So we can expect to get a return from around like 36,600 area, 3672, or the 4-hour resistance, that's 36,900. I doubt it might go there, so I'm assuming it's probably, if it has to test the low, it should create a resistance around these areas, 36,600 or 3672 area, to bring it down.
Yes.
Yeah. If I have to look for a buy, probably I will look for a buy above 3672 to take it to because there's a clean traffic on the left.
For me, I have like if it closes above this, 3700 370650
Okay.
to look for buys would be better, because if it comes to the 4-hour, right, if it comes to just over here, where'd you say it was 36,700?
Yeah,
36,700, yeah.
3672. Yeah, this area, exact, probably the same where your gray line is. Yeah,
36, no, 72, around here.
yeah,
The daily would still be bearish, you know what I'm saying?
yeah.
And would be within the range.
Yeah, but the 4-hour might would have flipped already by that time if you're
Yes.
looking on,
Yeah.
right. So, but I'm just looking on the base of 30 minutes, right? Because what my idea is that, it's, we have a clean traffic. So if it passes by, and because this is the area 36,700, if you look at it on 30-minute, this was respected by few candles, right? But closed, all of them closed below it, and then it dropped from there. So if any candle comes and closes above that, I think it is just changing its direction now, to go and do the 36,900 or 36,95 area. Just an idea.
Yes. Yeah. We'll see how it's gonna play out.
Yeah, but yeah, overall, I think is bearish, so we should be looking for a
Sells.
resistance to be formed. Yeah, my idea is this. I'm, you know,
I know. It's just what I've seen it most times in New York on major news days. The by New York time, it changes the direction,
Yeah.
and it's usually from a main support, starting with like a 30 minutes candle, and it goes
Yeah.
dup, 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 dup. It just keeps going, but um. It's Friday today, so we should not push any trades.
Yes, sir.
There's a lot of news. End of the week.
So if I open 15 minutes,
Yes, sir.
so it's kind of like a mini support created here, right? On 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. And from there we are looking to go.
So it's all based on this 4 hour right now.
Mm.
Where is it gonna close? Is it close at a support, or above the support, or below the support? Closes above, then most likely 70% chance the next candle it's gonna continue going up.
Can sorry, can you look at 1 hour?
It's closing bearish.
With a big rejection too.
Look at when this 1 hour started with no wick at all, so much pressure.
Yeah, it was too fast.
Farhan knows because he wanted to take it.
Yeah, because on the 15 minute, as soon it closed below that gray line which created on 36.
Yeah,
So after that, I wanted to enter. Then I was waiting. Like if you see, those 15 minutes even don't have any wicks. So I
yeah,
was thinking, pull back. The next one will pull back to this 36,600. Then I will enter. It
okay,
never.
yeah, guys. I noticed something that like when we enter the trade, we always wait for the lows to be broken. That's not how I used to do it before.
Exactly.
I used to enter as soon as the candle closes.
Exactly. That's how I entered yesterday. Because I was telling you the other day as well that it's about our analysis that we should be sure on the fact that now it's doing this, because there are two things in it. First, you're just confident on your analysis, how your analysis is going to work out. Secondly, your stop losses are small, and
Yeah,
thirdly, you can enter with a small position and add up another position when it breaks it. You know what I mean?
yeah, that's facts. But for me, I'm gonna try to not wait for the lows to be broken or the highs. If it looks good, like how I visualize it, I'm just gonna anticipate the move once the candle closes.
Mm.
True.
And if
So
it goes back, then it was a fake out.
Exactly. Like if it ends up stopping your stop loss, then that's it.
Yeah.
Like if Farhan took this when this candle closed, it would have been done for the day.
so if you open 15 minute, so say one candle came in below us, closed below that 36,600 area. So this one.
Yeah.
So here I wanted to enter, but as soon the next one started, it was just running. So this was a good confirmation. Like it closed.
It was a very good confirmation. Yes,
No,
Yeah.
Farhan, this is a good confirmation.
he was not there that time.
No, I was, but for me it was in the range, 1 hour range. This was a 1 hour range, so I didn't want it to like do anything in this range.
Let me see. An hour.
See,
Yeah.
this is like 1 hour range. So for me, like I wasn't. You remember, like we do this mistake of taking a trade within the range, and sometimes it just rejects.
Yeah.
So I wanted to do that. So I wanted to confirm this 15-minute candle to close below, which it did.
Yeah, but you know why I say this?
Yeah.
It could have been the trade because then you have this as the rejection, the first
True.
candle, right? And the next one is your confirmation because it broke the support.
Yes, it did.
And the third candle, that would have been the trade. And then you put on break even.
If you measure the range from the resistance which you created, like, or the support within the range,
Mm-hmm.
and the 36,600, it's not like much pips, like from here to
36,600.
to this gray line. Yeah, here.
Oh, it's not that many pips.
I don't think so.
Just about like 5 pips.
Yeah. So that was one issue. Like the range was not so big. Like I can do that
Yeah.
because it might reject from there. But on 15-minute, I missed that 15-minute one when it closed below 36,600. This one.
Yeah.
Even if it would have entered there, then it was a clean move.
Yeah. But you were expecting it to come back up here and then drop.
Yeah, let's see. So now we have a new candle.
But yeah, like I remember most of my winning trades is I took it when the candle closed. And when the next candle moves, it would easily move like 5-10 pips before breaks the low. You know what I'm saying? Remember?
Yeah. Yes. Clear. This was in the initial days of our trading. Then later on in June, we started trading on the impulse trades.
I know, it's not Wafa's fault. It
You know, I
was.
think the WAF has stopped coming after we started streaming YouTube, don't you think? Because he was always reluctant, don't
Yeah,
you think?
you always said that. You always like, he stopped trading because we started streaming.
Yeah, because you know, when we wanted to stream in the beginning, it was him who was always reluctant, and then we didn't do it, like because he was not comfortable, right?
Yeah, but I mean, it's good that we're doing it, so it gives us more confidence. You know, like there are people watching us, so we have to be careful what we're saying. So it should be helping him,
Yeah,
don't you think?
yeah, but I don't know.
Farhan, what do you think?
He wanted to get the big bucks. Did you see our chat the other day? He was
Oh
saying his
yeah, yeah.
2K account is not enough.
Well, I think if he gets another account, it might be blown.
Yeah.
You remember how Noaf used to trade?
Yeah, breakouts.
Man, like, and
Sell stops, buy stops.
how many trades a day?
Oh man. Oh man. Yeah. His analysis was like he was. Then later on, he got disciplined when he was doing the demo. Like he was.
Yeah, when you got the demo, he was more disciplined.
Yeah, he was just taking the trades on the breakouts, buy stops and sell stops.
Yeah,
Dangerous things.
super dangerous. So, 4 hours started. The previous 4 hour closed above the support. The current 4 hour came to the support. It touched it and it kind of rejected right now. So, if this has to drop, where does it need to come to? Maybe at 36,600 or at the
Oh,
wick
this
right here.
wick is the wick. Yeah. Mm.
This is 36,500. So I'm gonna put a line over here. So here, if this breaks above, okay, if it breaks above and it closes bullish, I would enter for a buy. Because then the 30 minutes, this 30-minute, okay.
Sorry. Come again.
Yeah, if this is come up and breaks the high, right, and then closes bullish, once it closes, I would want to enter for a buy to continue going up. Then we have like, you know, a support and a confirmation.
Don't you want to wait it to close above 36.59?
36.59. Yeah, we can, but then
What is this? Okay, so you're waiting for the wicks. There was no support or resistance formed here, right?
no, only major support at the bottom, right here.
Yeah. I mean, if I want to take a sell, I would say I would wait for it to at least close any candle, 15-minute or 30-minute candle, below 36,400.
36,400.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this area, yeah. So I would want a candle to close below this, and probably I would not wait for a breaking.
yeah.
If it closes, yeah.
This one's probably, if it comes down, it's gonna fill this wick. But I want to see the flash manufacturer. I still remember this day. Each day we have this shit goes far. So if you're thinking of making back your losses this week, don't do it.
Yeah.
Just go small.
Man, I'm gonna be just going as small as you'll see. No, no, no. Just don't want to mess up my Friday. I mean, my weekend.
Yeah. Yeah, this 4 hour most likely can't fill this wick right here if it closes below.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Farhan.
Yes, so retest that 4-hour low.
Yeah, it's possible.
But the only thing is, like, if it is doing that, like, we don't have much range. Like, it's hardly 5 pips or 6 pips.
The
Because
range.
it can, like, in the wake of that previous 4-hour.
Yeah. But
We
also
can't.
the range to go down, like the clean traffic, we have above like 20 pips. So
Yes, that is. If we are breaking it, then we can take it there. Yes.
yeah.
But for me, like, I don't know. The drop was so much on sells, and we got so much bearish momentum. So I'm not confident like it will drop more.
Yeah, that's why I said like it
Yeah,
might change direction.
exactly. So I'm confused with the sells, right?
Yeah. Because it came down a lot since London based on the daily.
And even in New York Open, it gave us that move for the sells.
Yeah. We're just gonna have to see the news. Flash manufacturing PMI fits greater forecast good for the currency. Sean is not here today.
He doesn't want to trade on Fridays.
Discipline. Oh wow, GJ is making a resistance. No, this gold. Wow. The dollar's super strong.
Yeah.
But this only happens after the fact. Oh shit. Wow. That's crazy. Okay, so we have the highs broken right here.
The push, so it's rejecting.
Yeah, it's main support. A nice entry was when broke the high. Omar,
Yes, sir.
I looked up who came up with Forex.
Who came up with that?
So the founder of Forex are Babylonians.
Okay.
You know where that is?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
No, no,
No.
no.
It's in Iraq.
Yeah.
Yeah, it says the ancient Babylonians culture area based in central southern present day in Iraq. A small ruled state emerged in 1894, which contained the administrative town of Babylon. Yeah, look it up. It's crazy. I didn't even know this. Look up who's the founder of Forex.
Mm-hmm.
You know where was the first ancient city built?
Um. Sorry, come again. Sorry, man. I'm a little occupied today.
The first ancient city
No.
in the world. It's in Iraq. The first laws ever created in the world. It's in Iraq. That's fucked. Iraq is fucked. So once this closes, if it closes the way it is right now, I'm gonna enter in a buy.
Open the 30-minute. Yeah.
There's a possibility where the next week could just come in and then drop like this, but then I'm gonna manage it. If that happens, I'm gonna manage it. Missed it. Would have been out.
But this 15-minute never gave a good confirmation.
Yeah. It didn't even close.
And then I'm just worried about that area.
Here?
600, 36,600. Yeah,
Yeah.
it can tap there and come down. So
And
I don't.
yes, it can. Unless if this closes above. But the way I see it, it's like it could go like this. Like that's what I'm visualizing right now. Otherwise, if it respects this area, then it's coming down. Do you guys visualize the same?
Sorry.
If it goes back to that
I
area,
think it will go to 36.59 and make a resistance. But if
Yeah.
it close above that, then you can, think about going to buys. But I would say it was gonna go and make a resistance here. That's what I think.
Well, the thing is, we have the flash. Manufacturing PMI soon.
Sean there?
No.
No,
Was he here in the start?
No.
no, he
Oh,
was.
he never came?
No.
Oh man, I'm so occupied today. I just didn't even realize he was not here.
He's sleeping today.
No. I spoke to him this morning and he said that he's gonna come, but probably it's Friday. Fridays he's usually busy with his work, right?
But this was the issue. I didn't want it to enter. It's full.
So that would have been my target.
Yeah.
5 pips.
I don't like this current 5 minute which was created. It like went below the entry. Then
But
came
on a
up.
30-minute, why don't you wait for a resistance to be formed here and bring it down? go with the trend.
But we talked about this. Is that this could change the direction right now because it's in New York. It could go up, then we take buys, but here it could reject. This is a resistance here, it's possibility, but I don't. If it's gonna come down, there's not enough range to come down to. That's the thing.
But you see, if you would have taken a buy on a 30-minute, you see there were like 4 wicks on the side.
Yeah.
These 4 wicks. I mean, anyways, now we'll wait for the 50 at 9:45 for the news.
Yeah.
I would still say, like, if I want to take a buy, it should close above 57.
Above here?
No, like if you really want to take a buy, let the candle close above 36.57. The same line, this one. Yeah. But it's again, it goes back in the range. The safest buys are above the 36.720.
Yes. But if this ends up going all the way here, I'm just gonna be so pissed because I didn't anticipate the move.
Yeah. Sure.
I feel like there's 80% chance it's going up. Unless a flash PMI comes down, takes it everything. My flow circle. So Farhan, how many of us gonna be tomorrow in there?
Just Rakil, you, me, and Omar.
Okay, so
Just don't
four.
talk about on the stream, guys. Careful.
Of what?
Stream, man. You're in the stream.
Yeah, so there's only 4 people watching that don't even live in Canada.
That's okay then. Later on, you'll have it recorded, man. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. I see. Yeah, people are calling on other people snitches. Snitches, bitches. Farhan, do you have neighbors you don't like?
No,
Okay, that's good.
they're good.
What about, do they like you?
Yeah.
Okay. Because there's always that one person that just
Exactly.
finds you annoying and then they will report you or some shit.
Nothing like that.
Okay, good. Yo, people, can't you see? Can't you
Hi guys, good morning.
Hey, Sean, what's up? Good morning.
Good, thank you. Sorry, I was busy. I was on a call.
That's okay.
Yeah, what's going on?
Man, you missed the move. Like,
Oh,
we
which one?
we just secured like 78 pips.
78?
No, I'm joking. I'm joking. No, we're just waiting. I wish we could catch that move.
Yeah.
But today is flash manufacturing PMI.
9:45.
Yeah. So usually when there's flash manufacturing PMI, it goes far. Like 50 to 100 pips.
Oh, I see. Okay, good. So there's a chance it might break below.
Yeah. Or it could be making a support right now to go up.
Yeah. Cool. One. Where is Farhan and Omar?
Yes, they're here.
Hi, Sean. How are you?
Good, Farhan. How are you?
Good.
So you guys are meeting tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Come through.
Yeah. I wish.
To the other side of the world.
That's true. That's true.
Niagara Falls.
Yeah.
You guys should visit the falls as well.
Oh, tomorrow?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's empty.
Yeah, there's no gatherings, I think, over there.
Oh, you cannot go there.
No, like it's empty. I heard like it's empty. The walls are empty.
Oh, I see. Because yeah, you cannot even drive through it because of the stay-at-home order.
Yeah. And I think like each gatherings, when they see people like more than 5 or something, they ticket them or something. I seen a post like that.
Yep, they do. Yep. Yeah, I read the thing that you shared, and I read a couple of others as well.
It's crazy.
Yeah. He's in the basement.
Wow. It's 15 minutes coming down. Is it making the 30 minutes slower wick? Let's see. But say if the news comes in and it was bad for the US dollar, and then that means the pound's gonna go up. Well, if it was good for the US dollar, the pound should fall. And if this comes down and breaks the 30 minutes low, I would want to
Yes,
enter.
its own yes. So if it breaks its own 4-hour wick, which is just the previous 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So yes, sir.
It's making a support on the 5 minutes.
See what the news do.
Yeah. People can see, wow. You can make it, and see. Jeez, it's coming down. Come on.
Just give me a second.
Oh shit, it's good for the currency, so it should fall.
Okay.
Yeah, I would enter either when this closes or when it breaks the low.
It's really good.
Yeah. If we could target the
59
wicks.
all-time high.
Yeah.
It's all-time high since 2013. Wow.
Wow.
So it should fall, right?
Yeah. I mean, gold is,
It's going up.
man, it's like, I don't even know.
It's breaking the 30 minutes on the upper side.
Yeah, it's about to.
It's dangerous.
But came up, rejected off the body. Let's see.
Happen, guys.
Hmm?
Happen.
What happened?
What did the news come? I mean,
The news came up good for the US dollar. And GU is going up.
wow.
Gold is going up.
I don't know. Just bear with me, man.
Yeah.
So we will be looking for a bias or at this point?
What do you think, Farhan?
No, I don't want to get in. I heard there's a range.
Yeah.
Again, there's a range.
Yes.
So, no. If we are looking for the bias, then we are like the same area which Umar was talking about. 720, 750.
Yeah. Oh, Omar, what are you eating?
Energy bar.
Hey.
Want some?
No, it's okay, thank you. You're about to
I've been
destroy the
feeling well.
market.
If you guys want to do like a cowboy bias, I really want to do it. I think if it closes above that area, well, this range zone,
Yeah.
you can trade into the range, but it's dangerous. I would not want to do it.
I know.
Let's
in
keep it. Well,
yeah,
or even it can maybe neuron it will range in this particular area now. It's making a new ranging zone,
that's right too. Uh,
like
uh,
from 36,600 to 36,450. This is a new zone which it will range for, I don't know, next few hours.
Maybe. If this closes
Yeah.
bearish, I would want to get into sells.
I will still say like your previous idea, if the this current 4-hour wick is broken, then enter,
Yeah.
which is like the previous 30 minutes. That
but
idea was perfect.
you see, if let's say if a 30 closes like this, right? Mm, you have a
Yeah.
13 pip, 12 pip range down. Let's say it just closes here, and your stop loss is going to be probably 3-4 pips, right? Just
Yeah,
saying.
yeah. 3-4 pips. And you if it comes to the wick, you're already out.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you probably will have a smaller stop loss and big reward. But if let's see, we're closer.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is safer, but I want to start doing it how I used to do it before.
Yeah.
Can you see? So what do you guys think?
5 more minutes is what I think.
The hourly is about to
I'm not
close bullish.
Yeah.
bullish.
The 15 minutes also closing bullish.
Yeah.
I would agree with Farhan here that it's on a 15 minutes it's making another range.
Yeah. To go up. Open my
Guys, are we entering if it breaks above?
No, I mean, you can if you want to manage it well once it breaks this, but just this zone right here is the issue. So for buys,
And
we go up here.
yeah. And secondly, you have to see your stop loss is going to be huge if you enter
Yeah.
next channel.
Yeah, the stop loss is going to be break even. But
Sorry?
the stop loss is going to be at break even, I guess. Yeah. But yeah, if it's going up, we'll get 10 pips. That's 36.68, I think.
If this closes inside that range, then yes, there is a possibility.
I think a better trade would be in 1 hour if it breaks the 1 hour candle.
Yeah. But
Uh,
yeah,
We can
The-
take it to 36.72. Oh man. Did anyone enter?
No.
Man, I was looking at the 4 hours and
It's like closing with no wick. If it closes within 1 minute, the way it is moving.
I think it will easily reach the target because
Yeah.
it tried so hard breaking it.
Yes.
It tried so many times. So eventually, once it did, it's like a dam full of water. It's gonna flow.
yeah. Okay, so now if it closes in this range like this, on a 15-minute and a 30-minute C, we entering?
No, because I wanted to enter all the way down here. I'm not gonna enter right here. I'm gonna wait for it to come right here.
Where? Sorry, can you?
I wanted to
Okay.
enter right here around this area because I knew it was gonna try
Yeah,
to make
but you
this.
wanted to enter after the first 15-minute, right?
Yes.
And it would have stopped you out by now.
No, I wanted to enter when this was closed. Stop loss below here. The current 30 minutes.
I don't think it's gonna come down to 36.50. It's the way it's moving.
Yeah. But the thing is, the news that we have for the US dollar, it should take effect like like soon.
Yeah, but we don't know when. Yeah, they usually do it like this.
Yeah.
It will probably maybe happen later in the day after 11.
What if it breaks the 1 hour?
It did break 1 hour.
No, this current 1 hour.
Oh, okay.
No, man. No, no, no. Ron, if you would have entered on the 30-minute, it would have given you 5 pips, and then I think your runner would have stopped out.
I wouldn't have a runner.
Ooh.
Yeah, because this is a major support.
Uh,
You know what I'm saying? Like, this is a 4 hour. And I've seen this so many times where it would just change the direction by New York. Now this 1 hour, there is a chance that it could just flip, you know, and then come down and breaks the low.
yeah.
If that happens, like shit, then it's really fun.
Noran, if you open the 4 hour,
Yes.
so your zone is basically kind of within the body, so that's the only concern right now. The good buy is like if it breaks this whole zone.
Yeah, if anything closes above,
Yeah, exactly. Then
we
we
look
can
for a
take a buy.
support and take it up. Yeah.
Yes. Right now, this body is another zone for it to
Yeah.
break.
But this over here seems like a fake out. Ali's like very nice. He probably took the buy from the support.
Yeah. The break of 1 hour was this. Then this new 1 hour break was a good buy if you wanted to take it into the. I would have agreed on that, not on the one that it was initially. I'll tell you why. Because this one got rejected and closed back in the range, and the next one broke it. I think that was a strong confirmation as
Yeah.
any other.
But was in the range.
Yeah, but at the same time, you see this range was respected severally, and this particular candle came and broke in the range, came back in the range, right?
Yeah.
And the next one was breaking it, so.
We just want a candle to close above this line.
Nice trade.
Oh, you took it?
It's okay.
No.
Ah,
I just checked it.
That's okay.
It's one good thing. Like I know the setup was really nice, but it was coming back into the range, and we agreed multiple times like we will not trade within the range.
Yeah.
So it's good we are just waiting because you never know like from where it will reject. And within this range, we have a mini support or resistance. Just stay strong.
Yeah. But G is going up.
What about gold?
Gold is going up. People, can't you see? Can't you?
So if the two wicks you see on the left-hand side for the 1 hour, if they are broken, so it's a good buy there.
Are you asking me or like telling?
Yeah, I'm asking like what, or you're just waiting like to close
Yeah.
above this
Yeah.
line.
I'm waiting for it to close.
Okay, the 15-minute. It closed above the 15.
No, but that's 1 hour he's looking at.
Yeah.
Look at the 15 minute. 15 minute, I think it needs to close above the one that we mentioned, 36,720. Can you open 15 minutes?
Hold on.
15 and a 30.
No confirmation.
I mean, my support is here, and like on a 30-minute, if you open it, my support was right here. So I would want it to close above this support, this resistance. Sorry. Don't you think?
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, if we wait for the 30 minutes to close just above this line and then we get the next 30, come down a little bit. Or even just entering when this closes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Confirmation. Paste. No. Oh, okay. Based on the 1 hour. Nice. People. Interesting.
getting tricky right now.
Yeah.
On 5 minute.
Maybe it's making a support on the 15. You know, from here
Yep.
and then just.
Yep. Or a resistance.
Yeah, if this 30 minutes flips.
They could give good confirmation.
What's that?
Let's start trading on 5 minute candles. They could give you good good confirmation.
Yeah, sometimes it does.
Yeah.
I'll be right back in 2 minutes.
Okay.
Jeez.
Shit, I've been on mute for the last so long and I've been talking. I'm like, why everybody's ignoring me?
Come on, man. Come on. How many times?
Can you open? How many times? Because you see, the thing is, I keep getting calls in between, and then I have to mute it, and then I forget that it's on mute. Can you open 1 hour
Yeah.
and do the pip count?
It's so nice when it's labeled. So I want to see where this 30 minutes gonna close. The 15 could close there. We get the next one to break that high. That's indication of support. But it's very itchy situation right now.
Yeah.
Cause
You wanna take it yourself?
it's in, yeah, it's in the middle. Like it's at a resistance, and
Yeah.
it was.
Yeah, I think the next buys would be after 3680.
So, for me, I was looking for a 15-minute to close above 720 area.
Yeah.
Yeah. 720. Me too. I mean, that's where my resistance is.
If a 15-minute closes above that area, okay. Or the previous 4 hour is broken, okay. But before that, but if the 4 hour is broken, the only things like the first target is too close.
4 hour. The first target.
Yeah, it's too close after if it breaks the 4 hour and we enter, for example. Then it's like
5 pips.
Yeah.
But if it breaks that, then there's a 70% chance we're gonna go to the promised land.
Yeah, true.
Oh wow, this rejected heavy.
Oh
And
man, what if
you
it comes
see,
in? If it comes in closes below my initial support that I created, that was 3650, 570 area. If you open my chart, if you probably have taken it out. Yeah, this area, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Closes below that, I won't wait for a confirmation.
If it closes like a doji, like how it just was right now, and it comes in and breaks that, it's fine.
Ooh.
Right?
Yeah.
I think if it closes like below 3667,
Mm-hmm.
And if it breaks below, that would be a nice sell.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to go into.
But 30, if you see 30 minutes, they're closing bullish.
Yeah.
Yep.
And the 15, it just kind of looked like it's just making a support, because it didn't break the previous low. Yes, Farhan. Si, senor. Okay, so now, this 30 minutes might come down, break the 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Anyone's gonna get in cells?
Wait a minute.
Or wait for 15 to close?
Wait for 15 to close below that.
I don't think it might.
Out of the range.
Out of the range.
Let's see. Yeah, I think it's making the support. I don't, because it's right here at the support. You know. Like we could get like another candle like this. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, respect this.
It's like London close right now. It's quite tricky right now,
Yeah, the hourly.
especially within this range here.
Omar, you fell asleep?
No. Just looking at it, man. Man, today is an extremely busy day for me for work.
Yeah.
Since morning, I've not even watched Rakil's stream. Usually, I watch it every day.
Shit. Busy
Been
on Friday.
busy since. Yeah.
Wow, this hour closing like it's about to be a doji. Very sticky situation. But this 30 minutes is respecting the previous low, so let's see.
It's back in the range, so it will move here for a while.
I think it will most probably create a lower 1 hour wick, so probably.
You know what I will say?
Yeah.
We are past the trading time. Let's come back on Monday.
I know.
Yeah, I was about to say that. Just leave it for today.
Yeah.
And just say like we didn't get that move.
I mean, I'll still be looking at if, for some reason, my bias is still bearish for sells, and I think it's gonna come and retest the low that it created.
Yeah, the hour.
We have seen it again and again and again. It will retest where it has tapped after a whole day, right? So if it has to go up, it needs to close above 36.71 area. It has tapped there twice, like 36.720 area, right? It has tapped so many times, but closed below it. We are watching it since you see, the last time it dropped there was at 4:30 in the morning. After that, it has tapped that area 6 o'clock, 6:30, 7 o'clock,
Guys,
7:30, and even now.
I think maybe it's about to fall.
Okay.
Does anyone want to get in?
Now, the concern is the VIX to the left-hand side, like it can pull back to that zone. If 15-minute closes below this gray line which you
Yeah.
created, perfect.
Yeah.
Go in for sales.
Yeah. Me too. I would. Yeah. I hope you didn't get into cells, Noran,
No.
on the 30-minute break.
That's good.
Here you go. You've got the validation from Farhan as well.
Yeah, just moving weird now.
And the thing is, let's call it a day
Yeah.
and see what happens tomorrow, or later in the day we will see what happened, just to review it.
Yeah.
My still bias is like if a 15-minute closes below the gray line, then we can take a sell, but I really don't want to take a trade today.
I know what Noran is thinking right now. Rejection of the 1 hour doesn't go. I mean, okay, let's say this 1 hour closed like this. Let me give it a bearish, and the next one breaks it. Next 20 minutes.
Yeah.
It's a good sell.
It's a 2-lot entry.
We'll see. No, I'm not gonna trade. It's Friday.
Guys, do you trade GJ?
No.
You're looking for a buy in GJ, Sean?
Yeah, everything appears to be going green.
It's probably doing the same thing as GU.
Yeah.
What the hell is it trying to do? Yeah, I go back, I come, I mean, I'll
Umar,
put
you
on
remember
mute.
you remember it wants us to do the convert trend.
Sorry?
Take a sell from the resistance and take a buy from the support. This is what he's asking again and again.
Yeah, I can see that. But if it wants to do, if this wants us, if Jew wants us to play with them today, they have to show us some moves.
Yeah. For sure.
Did you see um did you see Doug's message yesterday in every language? Stay at home one.
Oh yeah. No, I didn't
Just
see it.
see, it's some of the Toronto pages posted it.
Yeah, it was on LinkedIn also. So it was so
Yeah.
funny, like the way he said it in
Oh, the
like
clips.
Urdu and yeah.
The best one was Punjabi.
Here we have for the sell from the resistance and going down.
He says in Arabic too.
What the? He said it's so shit.
He said it in Arabic, right?
Yeah, but could barely understand it.
Yeah.
He messed up.
He said it in Urdu and Hindi a little better, right, Farhan?
Farhan's been disconnected from the chat.
Yeah. Sean,
Sean
Yes?
disconnected.
I watched that movie. What was it called? Dissident.
Yeah.
I watched it half of it. It's very interesting.
Man, it's not even on Netflix.
It's not going to be. I didn't think so. It's going to be on Netflix. Farhan, I think Sean downloaded it and shared it on his.
Oh, because I was looking for it on Netflix, couldn't find it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Power play. Man, Twitter is going wild. It's suspending everyone's accounts.
Oh yeah.
Sitting around the cells is working.
Yeah.
30 minutes is still very much alive, and so is an hour.
I don't know what it's doing right now. Why is GU like this, man? Like, it's so deceiving. Like right now, it's at a
Yeah.
support. It's at a support. It should go up, but it broke the low, so it should continue. Oh my, this.
So if in next 10 minutes it closes within this zone, so I think so just leave it.
Like right now, you would be thinking sells, right? Resistance, but it's at a support, so it could also go up from
Exactly.
here. It's like,
Yeah. So if this 30-minute or hourly closes outside the zone, okay, and then otherwise just leave it.
Okay. We should close it like this.
Never heard
what's that?
in next 7 minutes. You remember, it always remembers to travel in last 2 minutes.
Yeah.
It will do the whole move in last 2 minutes
I know.
to the next target, or it will come back to the zone.
Wow, it's 11 o'clock. Shit.
See, we would have been caught in this move.
Yeah.
We would have been.
Let's guys call it a day in 6 minutes.
Yeah. Wow.
But I think you should better call it a day. Your voice is breaking already. You're going back to the basement.
Me? It's just waiting for me to go.
Yeah, it's waiting for you.
You know, last 2 minutes it flipped up rather than coming down.
Wow.
Guys, I secured 12 pips.
Nice.
Yeah. Based on 1 hour.
Good job, Sean.
Based on 1 hour? What? Buys or sells?
Only Sean listen to my counter trending right now.
Yeah, that's why I didn't say anything.
No, but did you sell? Did you go in sells or buys?
No, buys. No. I was expecting it to return from 55. Man, I'm out with 15 pips.
Hey. Nice.
Although I can probably get more, but that's enough. Yeah, I can probably get 5 more pips.
For Sean. We're not doing anything, right?
Sorry?
So from where you took the buy?
36.55. 36550.
Hello.
Bye.
What's up, Omar?
In this current 30-minute candle, right? This one.
Yeah,
Sorry?
like
So it was pushing down. So at that point, so what was your bias go in for a buy?
the 1 hour
Counter
candle.
trend. That's all was his bias? Fuck 1 hour.
Guys, is it my internet or hello?
No, it's Omar.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, Umar, what were you saying?
I'm like, what was your bias?
Buys.
No, but basis of what?
Basis of 1 hour candle.
What 1 hour candle? It was rejecting heavily from the downside.
On the downside.
Yes.
Inside.
It flipped already.
It's good because it was creating lower 1 hour candle. Wick, sorry.
Hmm.
Yeah, so now this one should come down a little bit and then go up. Dun, 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 dun. Where did you go? Go to the mall. To the mall. You see how every time down
Aaron, you have entered?
no. It's
You're
past.
waiting for the 1 hour
No.
break, or
No, I'm not trading. The way
You're
I
not
saw him
because
move.
because if you see the 15,
See the 15.
like for me, it's still in a range.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I would want to see a bullish candle closing above 36.72.
I think so. I'm going.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave too.
Yeah, it's okay if we miss it.
Yeah, it's Friday. It's gonna go to first target, then it's gonna go promised land. It's gonna go further. But it's okay. I'm gonna close the stream. People on YouTube, give it a like and subscribe if you didn't trade today. Good job.